Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install the dynamic island on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to get the dynamic island, we need to go to the Play Store and then we need to search for an app that is called Dynamic Spot. This one over here. Install this app over here, and after it is installed, let's open it. This is how it looks like. Then we can proceed and tap next. Of course, we need to set up the app, so we need to follow the instructions. We need to tap on this one over here, and then we need to find the dynamic spot. Let's enable it. There you go. Oh, of course, we can select which apps are actually visible in the dynamic island, so you can select as much as you want, I guess. After that, we have notification access. So now we need to select dynamic spot and then allow notification access. Let's allow. There we go. Now we have draw on screen. So one more time, select and allow. Maybe one more time. Yeah, there we go. So let's press next. Then select the dynamic spot and use dynamic spot and allow. And then we can press done. And now we are good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.